I've been day trading for 6 years, but only the past 3 years I've been able to make $100 per day. Why is that? Well, that's because, guys, the nature of trading, day trading has two phases. It has your learning phase, and then it has the earning phase. You cannot force to earn in the learning phase, and I think this is why I am such a big advocate for traders to have another source of income before they actually jump into day trading. Now, if you're someone who has a source of income, congratulations, because it will take you time to become a profitable day trader. However, $100 per day is an absolute realistic goal to have. Now, we're going to talk about how to approach this $100 per day module, right? But I'm also going to be showing you, before we get into it, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my TradeZero account, which was in fact a small account, right? Mind you, we did start a small account challenge, 5K to 100K. We ended up just kind of dying it out at 65K, right? And it's still growing. Okay, it is still growing, but we did have a big drawdown from about 82K down to 65K, right? So I've kind of put that on a halt. But when we go back to our 2023 November results, you see we brought in $3,000 off of a 5K account. And then we go over here to December 2025, we brought in approximately $4,000, and then we move on to 2024, January 2024, we brought in approximately $4,000 again. It seems like our average has been approximately $4,000 per month. Then we go over here to February. We had a banger of a month, $5,300 in gains, and then we go over here to March, which was the last month which we were active, approximately $3,000 as well. So averaging over $100 per month on a $5,000 account. Okay, so how much money do you actually need in order to start trading is extremely flexible. And if you have more money, does the $100 per day become extremely easy and a lot easier? Absolutely, right? Because if you have a $100,000 account, right, that means that you need to gain approximately, freaking 0.01% in order of that account per day in order to make $100 per day, right? I mean, that's not that easy. But then on the other hand, if you're dealing with something like a $1,000 account, right, then that means that you need to make 10% every single day, which is a lot harder, considering we never ever use our whole portfolio for a single trade, right? So it does become more difficult the smaller amount of money and the smaller amount of capital that you have in order to trade with, but it is absolutely possible. So let's talk about how I did it and how you should approach this as well, and what are some things that you need to absolutely avoid. So the rule of $100 per day doesn't actually mean that you need to be making $100 per day of day trading, because that's not how the markets work at all. And that's the biggest pitfall that I see day traders fall down into, right? Because they're like, okay, well, I need to make $100 per day. So, I didn't make my $100 per day today. Oh, no, what happened? Because if you're approaching the markets with that state of mind, what's going to happen is that you're going to either lose when there's no opportunity, or you're going to go ahead and leave money on the table when there is massive opportunity. The way the markets work, guys, is that not every day is going to be a trading day for you. And there's going to be days where the market will give you $1,000 day opportunities. And there's going to be a day where the market gives you no opportunity to trade at all, right? So what's going to happen is that on the $1,000 day opportunity, you're going to go ahead and you're going to leave $900 on the table. Then on the day where there's no opportunity, you're going to try to squeeze out $100 out of the markets. And guess what happens? You're going to lose a lot of money, okay? So with that said, guys, this is not something that you want to do at all. Now, if you guys want my free trading every single morning, check out my Instagram, because I post free trade alerts on there every single morning for you guys, right? Any day I'm trading, I show you guys exactly what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and that stuff. So give me a follow, guys. The link is in the comment section. Actually, the link is in there. I'm just going to put it somewhere over here, my name on the Instagram. Check that out, right? And yeah, that's if you guys want to day trade with me personally, right? But this is something that you guys can absolutely take advantage of yourself. And remember what I said, right? What you don't want to do is you don't want to go in and have a hard set target of $100 per day. What you actually want to do is go more broad and say, hey, I want to make sure I make about $3,000 this month, right? $3,000 this month. What does $3,000 this month really mean? $3,000 this month really means is, okay, well, today I made $700. Tomorrow I made $200. The day after I'll make $300. And the day after that, I'll lose $500. Well, my average is still what I'm looking for, right? I'm still close to that average that I need to seek, which is, $700 per 7 days of day trading, basically, right? So you need to understand that not every single day is going to be a winning day either. Losing days are part of day trading. And even on this account, right, even the 3K days that you're seeing, it wasn't like I was really aiming for 3K. And there were days where, we took some massive losses on this small account, right? But the point being that you need to have a more broader goal than $100 per day. And that's what's going to get you to that $100 per day rather than focusing specifically on $100 per day, right? Right now, if you're a new trader, you should not even be thinking about the money, right? And I know what that sounds like, right? I know you're like, oh, what are you talking about? I shouldn't be thinking about the money. I shouldn't be focusing on the money right now. You should be focusing on your education, okay? Practice. Trade with extremely small amounts of money, right? I know a lot of people suggest day trading with paper money, right? I don't suggest paper trading. I don't like that at all because the emotions that you have attached to your money are absolutely different when you're trading with real money versus when you're trading with monopoly money, okay? And this doesn't have to be hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars or even hundreds of dollars, right? As long as you have money on the line, you're going to be treating the stock differently. You're going to care more about the ups and downs, and you're going to, it's going to kind of simulate what your emotions when it comes to using bigger positions and actual money in the markets is going to look like. Okay. And those are the emotions that you really need to be able to hold down and, take control of when it comes to becoming profitable and actually transferring into that earning phase. Because remember what we talked about, right? Learning phase, and then you have the earning phase. And what better place to be for your learning phase than Top Trader Academy, guys? Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you, this is the #1 channel when it comes to free value, free paid value, guys. This is information that a lot of people out there are charging for. Myself, I spent $22,000 on trading mentorships, so you don't have to. Okay. Now, why did I do that? Well, I'm at a point in my life, guys, where I just gotta write a lot of stuff off, right, when it comes to my taxes. And what better thing to write off than education, right? Self-development. So I've been very big on that recently, taking courses even. And the thing is, when it comes to day trading, it's not that you're really, and maybe you're a profitable trader and you're watching this, right? It's not necessarily that the people whom I paid those courses, that money for, were going ahead and telling me something new. No, but they were reminding me, right? A lot of times in life and in trading in general, right? Or in trading and in life in general, you don't need new lessons. You just need to be reminded things, right? So when I spend that money, there wasn't really, I'll be honest with you guys, there wasn't really anything new I learned, right? From the mentorships that I took. Mind you, I've been trading for 6 years and I literally eat, sleep, trade, repeat. That's all I do, right? I make these videos for you guys. I coach traders to become profitable. So I do this full time, right? Trading is my life, okay? So when it comes to this stuff, right, there wasn't really anything new I learned, but it was a lot of things that I needed to be reminded when it comes to trading that helped me kind of get me to the next level. Now, if you guys are interested in working with me as well, check out the link in the comment section in the description, guys. Top Trader Academy, apply. Now, I do got to let you guys know that we do only take 3 traders every single month in, right? Because the moment you join, I give you an oath of profitability. And if you're not profitable, you get a 100% refund of your money. And also, you actually get paid on top of that, right? We give every single person who leaves $100 because we're like, dude, we didn't want to waste your time. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, we have very few people leave, and we get tens of applications per day. So, but who knows, right? Maybe we'll go through yours and you're the person from the 3. And the more times you apply, the more likelihood that will take you because it shows initiative. So check that out, guys. The link is in the comment section in the description. And that's all. Okay, I wish you guys the best of luck, whether it's in trading or everyday life. That is my advice when it comes to making $100 per day, which is don't focus so much on $100 per day. Focus on $3,000 a month, right? And have these bigger goals, which are going to give you more flexibility of performance within the month, okay? Where you're going to be able to use more money on a better setup and avoid the B setup, right? Avoid the setup that's not quite there and you're not trying to really force it to go ahead and make that money. So that's my take, guys. Again, if you guys like these raw unedited videos, hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe, guys, because I'm here every single day sharing new day trading knowledge with you guys every single day. Thank you for watching Happy Winston Trading. Your boy Sam from Top Trader Team.